Yo, what's up everyone, it's Sri and we're talking AI. Now, we've all seen what AI like ChatGPT can do. It's mind-blowing, right? But here's the thing, a lot of that power is locked behind paywalls or controlled by big companies. So what if there was an AI that was just as powerful but completely free and open for everyone to use? That's where DeepSeek AI comes in. We're talking about a powerful, open-source AI that can go head-to-head with the big players, and it's completely free to use. In this video, we're going to dive deep into DeepSeek AI and explore all the amazing things you can do with it. So, what exactly is DeepSeek AI? At its core, it's a next-generation large language model, or LLM for short. Now, if you've used ChatGPT, you've already had a taste of what LLMs can do. They can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. But DeepSeek AI takes it to a whole new level. Think of ChatGPT as a high-end smartphone, locked to a specific carrier. It's powerful, but you're limited by its restrictions. DeepSeek AI, on the other hand, is like a powerful custom ROM. It's built on an open-source foundation, meaning developers can access its inner workings, tweak it, and mold it to fit their needs. This open-source nature is what makes DeepSeek AI so revolutionary. Developers can take this AI engine and integrate it into their own projects, build custom applications, and even offer AI-powered services without hefty fees. Okay, let's talk features. DeepSeek AI comes packed with some seriously impressive capabilities that make it a real contender in the AI space. First up, we have advanced language processing. This is the bread and butter of any LLM, and DeepSeek AI doesn't disappoint. It can understand and generate human-like text with incredible accuracy. Next, we have code generation. This is huge for developers. Imagine being able to write complex code in multiple programming languages just by describing what you want to achieve. DeepSeek AI can do that, and it can do it well. DeepSeek AI also excels at reasoning, analyzing information, making connections, and solving problems using logic. Finally, DeepSeek AI is incredibly versatile, handling a wide range of tasks from creative content to answering complex questions. Now, the big question on everyone's mind, how does DeepSeek AI stack up against the reigning champ ChatGPT? Well, it's a tough battle, but DeepSeek AI holds its own incredibly well, especially when you consider it's completely free and open source. In terms of language processing, both models are incredibly capable. They can generate human-quality text, translate languages, and understand complex concepts. However, DeepSeek AI's open-source nature gives it an edge in customization. Developers can fine-tune its language model to excel in specific areas, like generating technical documentation or writing poetry. When it comes to code generation, both models are neck and neck. They can churn out code in multiple programming languages, making them invaluable tools for developers. DeepSeek AI's open-source advantage allows developers to integrate it directly into their development environments, creating a more seamless workflow. DeepSeek AI's ability to reason and solve problems is where it truly shines, demonstrating a level of cognitive flexibility that's truly impressive. Now, you might be thinking, okay, this is cool for techies like me, but what about everyone else? Here's the thing. DeepSeek AI isn't just for developers. Its potential applications are incredibly vast, spanning across numerous industries. Let's start with education. Imagine a world where students have access to AI-powered tutors that can provide personalized learning experiences, adapt to their individual needs, and offer instant feedback. DeepSeek AI can make this a reality. In healthcare, DeepSeek AI can analyze medical records, assist in diagnosis, and even accelerate drug discovery. Its ability to process and understand complex medical data could revolutionize the way we approach healthcare. The business world can also benefit greatly from DeepSeek AI, from automating customer service tasks to generating marketing content and analyzing market trends. DeepSeek AI can be used in creative fields like music composition, art generation, and even storytelling. The possibilities are truly limitless. Alright, so DeepSeek AI sounds pretty amazing, right? And it is. But like any technology, it's important to be aware of both its strengths and limitations. Let's start with the good stuff. The biggest pro is obviously its open-source nature. This means anyone can use it, modify it, and contribute to its development, fostering a community-driven approach to AI. Another huge advantage is its cost. DeepSeek AI is completely free to use. This makes powerful AI accessible to individuals, startups, and researchers who may not have the resources to pay for expensive subscriptions or licenses. DeepSeek AI's ability to generate human-quality text, write different kinds of creative content, and even reason like a human is a testament to its power and versatility. However, it's also important to acknowledge the potential downsides. While it's incredibly capable, it can sometimes generate inaccurate or biased information, so it's crucial to use it responsibly and critically evaluate its outputs. So, you're ready to dive into the world of DeepSeek AI? The good news is, getting started is incredibly easy. First, head over to the DeepSeek AI website. You'll find all the information you need, including documentation, tutorials, and even a community forum where you can connect with other DeepSeek AI users. To start experimenting with DeepSeek AI, you can use their web-based interface. It's user-friendly and intuitive, allowing you to interact with the AI and explore its capabilities right from your browser. For developers, DeepSeek AI offers a robust API that allows you to integrate its power into your own applications. The DeepSeek AI community is incredibly active and supportive, ready to assist you with any issues or questions. So, there you have it, DeepSeek AI, a powerful, versatile, and completely free open-source AI that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. Whether you're a developer, a student, an entrepreneur, or just someone who's curious about the future of AI, DeepSeek AI is definitely worth checking out. We've explored its impressive features, compared it to the competition, and even looked at its potential applications across various industries. Head over to the DeepSeek AI website, dive into its documentation, and start experimenting. The future of AI is open and accessible to everyone, and DeepSeek AI is leading the charge. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of DeepSeek AI. Let me know what you think about DeepSeek AI in the comments below. If you're as excited about the potential of open source AI as I am, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos on the latest in AI tech and everything in between. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.